even care about cars, but I'm in the bag, so I got the Lambo to cruising. It's the famous thing in my passy. Said she's a baddie, I told her to prove it. Just asked to survive, same time I see two friends go down.
But I got a famous thing in my posse, said she's a baddie, I told her to prove it. What you mean? Bumbo class.
Simultaneous.
On the play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot at selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me too. Hey, move around the sound.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jam Disco, and I'm back with a hit and a smashing out. Bang! But sorry for what I do to the people. Today I'm doing what I believe is another UK drill reaction. Yes, this was actually sent by one of our fellow Jam Disco gang family member, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this one was recommended by one of our family